Amidst the vast plain of jars, where ancient stones whisper secrets of time, a young Hmong woman named Mim often walked at dawn, her silver ornaments chiming softly with each graceful step. The air carried the fragrance of wildflowers, and the morning mist clung to the rolling hills like veils of forgotten dreams. Mim wore her finest attire, a radiant dress embroidered with bright floral patterns, her headdress crowned with green and orange pom-poms that glowed like the sun and forest in harmony. Each piece of silver on her chest was not merely decoration, but the echo of her ancestors' blessings, protection, love, and fate's design. She had come to the plain not only for beauty's sake, but to fulfill an old legend. Her grandmother once told her, "When the sun meets the silver and the wind hums through the jars, the one destined for your heart will appear."